Hey, we're here in studio with Noelle from River Rock, and we're doing a little mixing of the margaritas for Cinco De Mayo, Sue. So, all right, Noelle, what do we got?
Cinco de Mayo.
What do we got going on here?
Okay, so over here we have a melon margarita.
Okay.
Pretty easy to make for expert bartenders or beginners.
Okay.
What you need is just 1.5 ounces of tequila, half an ounce of Midori. Fill your shaker with ice, some fresh muddled lemon, lime, or you could use a premix if you wanted it to be a little less strong.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're going to shake it up.
Just shake everything up.
Shake it.
Shake it, Sue. Shake
Shake it while you got it.
You guys look good in the sombreros there.
All right,
Very
it's
nice.
all ready to go.
You want to shake it till your hand gets cold, so that you can be sure that it's all mixed up and perfect color and essential flavors.
It is a beautiful color.
Wow, look at that green.
Yeah.
Are we
Very
supposed
nice.
to pour 3?
That's a beauty. It's
That's
all right.
fine. We'll share.
We'll
There you
share.
go. Sue's now a bartender.
I'm now a
Sue's
bartender.
now a bartender. Let me see that nice
learning.
screen there,
Here we
Sue.
go.
Hold up that
Ooh.
nice screen. Let's take a look at that. Oh, that looks
Happy
fantastic.
Cinco
You want
de
something
Mayo.
Happy
kind of
Cinco de Mayo. I'll just reach over here, Sue.
Okay, got it?
And then there we go. Cheers. Happy
Cheers.
Cinco de Mayo.
Have fun.